You crave adventure, you crave power, but you also need to haul the whole crew, kids, soccer gear, the occasional road mother-in-law. Let me introduce you to your new spirit animal, the 2024 Chevrolet Traverse RS. This ain't your mama's minivan. This is a 3-row SUV that says, I can conquer mountains on the weekend and carpool like a champ on Monday. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to dissect the beast. The RS trim takes the Traverse to a whole new level. Look at those sculpted lines, the blacked out accents. It's a head turner for sure. But the beauty goes beyond skin deep. Under the hood lies a 2.5 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder engine pumping out a mighty 328 horsepower. That's more muscle than most SUVs in its class. Now, hop inside. The RS treatment continues with premium leather seats that hug you in all the right places. The driver's cockpit is a command center with a massive 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen and a heads-up display that keeps your eyes on the road. But let's talk about the real thrill, the drive. That turbocharged engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive power. You'll feel the surge of acceleration, the confident handling. It's an SUV that begs to be pushed. Hauler at heart. With over 98 cubic feet of cargo space behind the first row, you can pack in all the gear for your next adventure. Second and third row seating offer ample legroom and headroom, even for your tallest passengers. And keeping the crew entertained on long journeys is a breeze. The Traverse RS comes loaded with a rear seat entertainment system, complete with Wi-Fi connectivity to keep boredom at bay. Plus, there are plenty of USB ports for charging devices and keeping everyone happy. Safety is paramount, especially when you've got precious cargo on board. The Traverse RS is packed with Chevrolet's suite of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. These features give you an extra layer of confidence on the road. We mentioned the impressive 17.7-inch touchscreen earlier, but let's take a deeper dive into the tech this beast offers. The Chevrolet Infotainment 3 Plus system is one of the most user-friendly on the market. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, so you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone and access your favorite apps. Built-in navigation keeps you on track, while a premium Bose sound system with 10 speakers ensures your road trips are filled with the perfect soundtrack. But it's not all about entertainment. The system also allows you to control various vehicle settings, like climate control and even some driver assistance features. And don't forget about the backseat passengers. The rear entertainment system features 2 high-definition screens and can be controlled independently. Whether it's watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing the web, your kids will be thoroughly entertained on long journeys. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty performance specs. The 2.5 liters turbocharged engine delivers 328 horsepower and 308 pound-feet of torque, which is enough to get your heart racing. Paired with the smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, this SUV offers a responsive and exhilarating driving experience. But the fun doesn't stop there. The Traverse RS features a drive mode selector that allows you to tailor the driving experience to your needs. Choose from Tour for a comfortable and fuel-efficient ride, Sport for a more spirited driving experience, or even Snow for those adventurous winter getaways. Let's not forget about personalization. The Traverse RS comes in a variety of bold exterior colors, each one designed to turn heads. From the head-turning radiant red tint coat to the sleek midnight blue metallic, you can choose the color that best reflects your personality. Need to haul a boat, camper, or some other weekend warrior gear? The Traverse RS has you covered. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, this SUV can handle most everyday towing needs. But even without a trailer, the Traverse RS offers exceptional cargo flexibility. With over 98 cubic feet of space behind the first row, you can pack in enough gear for the whole family and all their adventures. The second and third row seats also fold flat, creating an expansive cargo area for larger items. Let's talk about fuel efficiency. With an EPA estimated rating of 20 mph in the city and 25 mph on the highway, the Traverse RS strikes a good balance between performance and fuel economy. It's important to note that these figures may vary depending on driving conditions and options chosen. The 2024 Chevrolet Traverse RS is more than just an SUV. It's a statement. It's a declaration that you crave adventure, you value comfort for the whole family, and you refuse to compromise on style. This SUV seamlessly blends exhilarating performance with everyday practicality. You can conquer off-road trails one day and be the ultimate soccer mom the next. It's the perfect choice for families who lead active lives and demand versatility from their vehicles. Now, you might be wondering how the Traverse RS stacks up against the competition. While there are several capable SUVs in this class, the Traverse RS offers a unique combination of power, space, and technology. Compared to competitors like the Honda Pilot or Toyota Highlander, the Traverse RS boasts a more powerful engine and a more engaging driving experience. It also offers a larger cargo area behind the first row, making it ideal for hauling bulky gear. But don't just take our word for it. Head down to your local Chevy dealer and take the Traverse RS for a test drive. See for yourself how it blends power, comfort, and technology to create the ultimate all-around SUV. But what do actual Traverse RS owners have to say? Let's hear from a few of them. We love taking our Traverse RS on camping trips. It has enough power to handle any terrain, and the cargo space is perfect for all our gear. Plus, the kids love the backseat entertainment system on long drives. The Traverse RS is my lifesaver. It gets me to work comfortably, hauls the kids to all their activities, and even tackles the occasional grocery run with ease. The technology features are also a lifesaver, keeping everyone entertained on the go. When it comes to ownership, you can rest assured knowing that the Traverse RS comes with a comprehensive warranty package. Chevrolet offers a 3-year/36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year/60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Extended warranty options are also available for added peace of mind. So there you have it. The 2024 Chevrolet Traverse RS is more than just an SUV. So, is the 2024 Chevrolet Traverse RS the right SUV for you? If you crave a blend of power, practicality, and a whole lot of style, then the answer is a resounding yes. It's the perfect marriage of muscle car and family hauler. Head down to your local Chevy dealer today for a test drive. Unleash your inner beast and discover why the 2024 Traverse RS is the ultimate all-around SUV.